In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new MySQL database and user using Hostgator. This is a comprehensive step-by-step guide, perfect for those new to managing databases through Hostgator's platform. So let's dive right in and get started. First, head over to the Hostgator homepage by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to their website. Once there, you'll want to log in. So go ahead and click on the Sign In button, which you will typically find at the top right of the homepage. Logging in is crucial as it grants you access to your account and all the tools you need to manage your web hosting. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to the Hostgator homepage. From here, you need to navigate to the website section. It's a straightforward process, just find and click on website from the menu options available. This section is where most of your site management takes place, so it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with its layout if you haven't already. Next, let's move on to the settings. In the website section, look for and click on Settings. Hostgator's settings page is where you can adjust all the finer details of your hosting setup, from domain settings to databases. Under settings, the next step is to click on Advanced. This opens up more in-depth options for your hosting environment, allowing you to gain greater control over your server-side configurations. Now, within the advanced settings, find the button labeled Manage and click on it. This will open up additional management options which are crucial for creating and configuring new databases. Proceed by clicking on MySQL R databases. This will take you directly to the database management interface. It's here that you can create, modify or delete databases and users for your website. Have a look around this area to get a feel for its capabilities. Once you're in the Mysql databases section, your next task is to create a new database user. You'll see an option labeled Create User. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter a username and password for your new database user. This step is vital as it sets up the credentials you'll use to access your MySQL database. Creating a database user effectively wraps up our main objective for today. However, remember to note down these credentials securely, as you'll need them whenever you're accessing your database remotely or through any applications or scripts. That's all there is to it. With this guide, you should now be able to easily create a new MySQL database and user on Hostgator. Thanks for joining me today, and feel free to start experimenting with your new database setup. Until next time, happy hosting.